Good afternoon all of you. Okay, in the last session I have completed the numerical problems on pacing of road program, and in today's class I am going to discuss regarding the salient features of the third 20-year road development plan, that is salient features of third 20-year road development plan. Okay. Salient features of third 20-year road development plan, and this plan is also called as Lucknow plan. And it is from 1981 to 2001. Okay, and it's very important. The salient features of third 20-year road development plan are, it is also called as Lucknow plan, and is from 1981 to 2000. So in the session number 3 have discussed regarding the 20-year road development plans. Okay, the IRC will plays a major role in the development of 20-year road development plans. No, the 20-year road development plans, up to now we have fourth one. Is it clear? The first 20-year road development plan is called Nagpur plan. It is from 1943 to 1963. Okay, and the second 20-year road development plan from 1961 to 1981, that is called Bombay plan. Okay, and similarly the third 20-year road development plan is called Lucknow plan. It is from 1981 to 2001. Okay, see here, the third 20-year road development plan published and finalized. Okay, first it's finalized and published its plan document in the year of 1984, means finalized and published its plan document in 1984. Okay, 1984. See here, and the policies of this third 20-year road development plan was policies. Okay, the first one, it is the IRC issued a modified classification of road system, that is primary, secondary and tertiary system. So in the first 20-year road development plan, so the classification of road system was, there is 5 categories. There is national highway, state highways, major district roads, other district roads and village roads. That classification of road system was modified in third 20-year road development plan by IRC. Instead of those 5 categories, okay, they are going to convert those 5 categories into 3 systems, that is primary system, secondary system and tertiary system. And for this there is one more categories addition, that is expressway. Okay, totally there are about 6 categories of roads: expressways, national highways, state highways, then major district roads, other district roads and village roads, and those 6 categories of roads will be categorized into 3 systems: primary, secondary and tertiary road system. Means the first one, it is IRC, that is Indian Roads Congress, issued modified classification of road system, modified classification of road system, that is primary, secondary and tertiary system, Okay, in the primary system it includes national highways and state highways. expressways and national highways, and in the secondary system it includes state highways and major district roads, and in the tertiary system it includes other district roads and village roads. Okay, this was the first policy in the third 20-year road development plan. And the second one, it is the villages, okay, with population more than 500 as per 1981 census. The villages with population more than 500 as per 1981 census shall be connected by all weather roads by the end of this plan. By the end of this plan means the villages with over 500 population as per 1981 census shall be connected by all weather roads by the end of this plan, means by 2001. So the villages with population more than 500 shall be connected by all weather roads. That is the second policy of third 20-year road development plan. And third one it is more emphasis will be given to develop the road network, preserving the rural oriented economy, and also to develop the small towns with all essential facilities. Here the emphasis means special importance. Emphasis means special importance, means we have to provide, means in this policy there is more importance or special importance will be given to develop the road network, preserving the rural oriented economy, and also develop the small towns with all essential facilities. Okay, develop road network preserving rural oriented economy, and also to develop the small towns with all essential facilities. That is the third policy in the third 20-year road development plan. Next, in the fourth one, it is the overall density of roads shall be increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer of area. Means for every 100 square kilometer of our area, there should be 80 km of road network. Okay, that is the density of road in the third 20-year road development plan. Okay, the density, the overall density it is shall be increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer of area, and it is in the plain terrain and in the rolling terrain. But if it is the hilly terrain, means if in the hilly areas particularly whose elevation is about mean sea level about 2100 meter above mean sea level, if that is the case, this density was reduced to 40 km per 100 square kilometer area. 100 square kilometer area. This is for hilly areas whose elevation is 2100 meter above MSL, 2100 meter above MSL. If that is the case, there the density will be 40 km per 100 square kilometer area. Is it clear? This is the fourth policy. This is the fourth policy in the third 20-year road development plan. And the next one it is, okay, the national highway network should be so developed that it should form a square grid of 100 kilometer sides. It should form a square grid of 100 kilometer sides. So, that is the case, no part of the country would be 50 kilometer away from the NH. No part of the country would be 50 kilometer away from the NH. Suppose here, if the this is the case 100 kilometer square grids, 100 kilometer square grids of national highway. This is 100 kilometer and this is also 100 kilometer and this is also 100 kilometer and this is also 100 kilometer. This is 100 kilometer square grids, no. So whatever the area between that within the square should not be away from the national highway about 50 kilometer. So that is the square grid formation for the national highway. Is it clear? So the national highway network should be so developed that it should form a square grid of 100 kilometer sides. So, okay, if that is the case, no part of the country would be away from 50 kilometer from the NH. Means you may observe here, any part of the country we can, from here also there is a within 50 kilometer we get the national highway. For here also within 50 kilometer we get the national highway. That is the concept. Square grid of 100 kilometer sides. Square grid of 100 kilometer sides. Okay. That is the fifth policy. Okay. National highway network. National highway network with square grid of 100 kilometer sides. 100 kilometer sides. Okay, that is the fifth policy of third 20-year road development plan. Is it clear? The next one it is the sixth one. Okay, the present roads should be increased or improved in terms of geometric standards. The present road should be improved in terms of geometric standards. Usually the geometrics means the visible features. Okay, in terms of visible features, the present road should be improved. Okay, like widening of existing roads, strengthening of existing pavements, and improve the riding qualities. Okay, so has to save the vehicle operation cost. So existing roads widening and strengthening and improved riding qualities, these are all for so save the vehicle operation cost. Okay, that is the sixth policy. Means the present roads should be enhanced or improved in terms of geometric standards like widening of roads, strengthening of existing pavements, and improved in the riding qualities so as to save the vehicle operation cost. That is the sixth policy. Means improvement of existing roads in respect of geometric standards, in respect of geometric standards. Geometric standards. Okay, this is the sixth policy. The next seventh one it is, okay, more roads should be constructed in less industrialized area so that the area could develop industrially. Okay, there should be more network or more roads should be constructed in the less industrialized area so that that type of areas will be developed industrially. Okay, that is the seventh policy. Okay, more roads should be constructed, more roads should be constructed in less industrialized area, less industrialized areas so that those areas will be developed industrially. Those areas will be developed industrially. Is it clear? Okay. The next one it is, okay, along the major traffic routes, expressway should be constructed, okay, for the speedy movement of traffic. Okay, the expressways should be constructed along all the major roads. okay, along all the major traffic routes to provide the speedy movement of vehicles. That is the 8th one, policy number 8. Is it clear? Number 8 one, it is expressways should be constructed along all major traffic routes. Along all major traffic routes, expressways should be constructed for the speedy movement of traffic. Next, 9th one, it is the villages and towns with population more than 1500 should be connected by major district road, and the villages and towns with population 1000 to 1500 shall be connected by all weather roads, that is other district roads, ODR. Means the villages and towns with population more than 1500 shall be connected by major district roads, and the population from 1000 to 1500 shall be connected by ODR, other district roads. Means villages and towns over 1500 population shall be connected by MDR, that is major district roads, and population 1000 to 1500 shall be connected by other district road, that is ODR. This is the 9th policy of third 20-year development plan. Okay, and 10th one, it is, okay, there will be a long-term master plan should be prepared at taluk, district, state and the national levels, and the planning was finalized based on the best service to the population. Based on the best service to the population, we are going to finalize the master plan, that is long-term master plan. Long-term master plan means the long-term master plans should be prepared at taluk, district, state and national levels. Okay, so out of this taluk level, district level, state level, national levels, okay, the best one is finalized based on the best service to the population. The best one was finalized based on the best service to the population. Okay, this is the 10th policy of your third 20-year road development plan. And the next one, it is there will be improvement in environmental quality and road safety. There will be improvement in environmental quality and road safety. Improvement in environmental quality and road safety. So these are all salient features of third 20-year road development plan, or we can say these are the policies of third 20-year road development plan. Is it clear? What is the first one? The first one is the IRC is to a modified classification of road system, that is primary system, secondary and tertiary system. Okay, and all the future road development should be based on that type of classification only, means primary, secondary and tertiary only. That is the first policy or first salient feature. And the second one, it is the villages with population more than 500, okay, shall be connected by all weather roads, shall be connected by all weather roads by the end of the plan, by the end of the plan. And third one, it is more emphasis will be given to develop the road network, preserving the rural oriented economy, and also to develop the small towns with all essential facilities. And fourth one, it is the overall road density shall be increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer of area. So that is in the plain and rolling terrain. For hilly areas whose elevation is 2100 meter above MSL, in that is the case, the density will be reduced to 40 km per 100 square kilometer area. That is the fourth one. Fifth one, it is national highways network should be so developed that it should form a square grids of 100 km sides. If that is the case, no part of the country would be 50 km away from the national highway, 50 km away from the national highway. That is the fifth one. Sixth one is the present roads should be improved in respect of geometric standards like widening of roads, improve the riding qualities and strengthening of existing pavement so as to save the vehicle operation cost. And the next one is more roads should be constructed in less industrialized areas so that the areas could develop industrially, Okay, and the next one, it is, okay, expressways should be constructed at all major traffic routes, okay, to provide the speedy movement of traffic, okay. And next one, it is the villages and towns with population more than 1500 shall be connected by major district roads, and the villages and towns with population 1000 to 1500 shall be connected by other district roads, ODR, And the next one, it is, okay, that is long term master plan should be prepared at taluk level, district level, state level and national levels. Out of those plans, the finalize will be done based on the best service to the population, And the last one, it is there will be improvement in environmental quality and road safety. These are the salient features of third 20-year road development plan or Lucknow plan, or we can say these are the policies of Lucknow plan. Next, I'll move on to the calculation of road lengths as per third 20-year road development plan. Calculation of road lengths as per third 20-year road development plan is very important, and majority of times they are asked in your exams. Okay. Calculation of road lengths as per third 20-year road development plan. Calculation of road length as per third 20-year road development plans. Okay, for calculating the road length as per third 20-year road development plan, there are 5 steps. I will go one by one. Okay, the first step, it is length of NH, that is national highway. length of NH, that is national highway. For this we have formula, length of NH is equal to area of the state or district, whatever may be the area they are given. If they are given area of the country or area of the state or area of any region or area of the district, you have to consider here. Okay, if the area of state is given, I will go for that. Area of the state in square kilometer divided by 50 will gives the length of NH in terms of kilometer. Length of NH in terms of kilometer. This was a formula to calculate the national highway length. That is the first step, length of NH. So length of NH is equal to area of the state in square kilometer divided by 50. Okay. Second step, it is length of SH. Length of SH, that is national highway. To determine the length of state highway, length of SH is state highway. To determine the length of state highway, there will be two formulas. Okay, out of those two formulas, which will be the higher, that will be adopted as the length of state highway. Is it clear? So number A, length of NH, number A, based on the area, length of SH is equal to area of the state in square kilometer divided by 25. So this will give the length of SH in terms of kilometer. This is number one, based on the area. Number B, based on the number of towns within that area. Based on the number of towns within that area, length of SH is equal to, length of SH state highway is equal to 62.5 into number of towns, 62.5 into number of towns, okay, and minus length of NH. So for that 62.5 into number of towns minus length of NH will give the length of state highway, okay, based on the number of towns. So number A and B, for the length of state highway we are going to adopt higher of the A and B. For the length of state highway we are going to adopt higher of the A and B. Adopt higher value of A and B. Higher value of A and B. Is it clear? This is regarding the length of SH, that is the second step. Next I move on to the third step, that is length of MDR, major district road. Length of MDR, major district road. For the calculation of length of MDR also we have two relations. One, it is based on the area and the other one is based on the number of towns, as same as length of SH. Length of SH. Okay, first number A, it is based on area, length of MDR is equal to area of the state in square kilometer divided by 12.5. This will give the length of MDR in terms of kilometer. Next, number B, based on number of towns within that area. Based on number of towns within that area. So as per this, length of MDR is equal to 90 into number of towns within that area. 90 into number of towns within that area. This also gives the length of MDR in terms of kilometer. So for the length of MDR, we are going to adopt IR of A and B. So you are going to adopt the length of MDR IR of the A and B. Adopt IR value of A and B. Out of A and B, whichever gives the IR value, that will be adapted as the length of MDR. That is the third step. Next, the fourth step is, so length of ODR plus VR. Length of other district road plus village roads. Okay. For calculating the ODR plus VR, you should know the density of the road length. So overall density of the road length. So if in your problem, if they are mentioned the density like that 72 km per 100 square kilometer or 75 km per 100 square kilometer, we have to take that density. If they may not mention anything about the overall density of the road in your problem, then as per the third 20-year road development plan, the overall density will be 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. This is for normal cases. If they are mentioned in your problem hilly areas, then it is 40 km per 100 square kilometer of area. That was the density. So if not given, you have to take 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. So for the fourth step, if not given. But if it is given in the problem about 75 km or 72 km, we have to take the density itself. Is it clear? So length of ODR plus VR. For that, first we have to calculate total road length. Total road lengths, including all categories like national highway, state highway, major district roads, other district roads and village road. How you are going to calculate the total road lengths? That is, it is sum of NH, SH, MDR plus ODR plus VR. All together the total road length will get it by multiplication of area of the state into density. It may be 82 by 100 or 75 by 100, whatever may be, they have given the density. So area of the state and density multiplication will give the total road lengths, that is NH, SH, MDR, ODR plus VR. All 5 categories together will give the road length in terms of kilometer. Okay. Next step is, you should calculate the length of NH, SH plus MDR, because in the step number 1 we get the length of NH, in the step number 2 we will give the length of SH, and in the step number 3 we will give the length of MDR. Okay. So using that step number 1, 2 and 3, you should find the length of NH plus SH plus MDR together, okay, to find the length of ODR plus VR. So using step number 1 and 2, 3, find the length of NH plus SH plus MDR. So in the step number 1 you get NH length, step number 2 you get SH length, step number 3 will give MDR length. So sum it up will give the length of SH plus NH plus MDR. So okay, so gives some kilometers, that will give some kilometer. Then if you want the length of ODR plus VR, it's very simple. Total road length minus length of SH plus NH plus MDR. So total road length minus this will give the ODR plus VR length. Okay. Suppose if you take this as A and this as B, total road length as A and length of NH plus SH plus MDR as a B, then ODR plus VR is equal to A minus B. A minus B means total road length minus length of NH plus SH plus MDR will give the ODR plus VR. So length of ODR plus VR is equal to, that is total road length that is A minus length of NH plus SH plus MDR, that is number B. So A minus B will give the ODR plus VR. ODR plus VR. This is regarding the fourth step, determine the length of ODR plus VR. And the last steps in the calculation of road length as per third 20-year road development plan, that is classification as per third 20-year road development plan. We have to bifurcate the classification. Okay. After completing all these four steps, then we move on to the fifth step. It's very simple. Fifth step, it is road classification. Road classification means you should bifurcate the roads into primary, secondary and tertiary system. So primary system that consists NH, okay, dash kilometer. So in the step number 1 we will use the NH, no, you have to mention here primary system. And next one it is secondary system. So it includes SH plus MDR. SH plus MDR. So in the step number 2 we use SH length, in the step number 3 we use MDR length, summation of that will give the secondary system, that will give dash kilometer. Okay, step number 2 we guess state highway length, step number 3 we get major district road length, the summation of that will give the secondary system. Next is tertiary system. Tertiary system. Okay, in the tertiary system it includes other district roads plus village roads. In the step number 4 we'll get the length of ODR plus VR, that is dash kilometer. Okay, if you end up the problems up to step number 4, you may also lose the marks because this was the major part in the calculation of road length as per third 20-year road development plan. Because in the third 20-year road development plan, there will be modified classification of road system, no? That is primary, secondary and tertiary, that's why. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the way of calculation of road lengths as per third 20-year road development, and it's very simple problems. It's very simple problems. Okay. Move on to the problems on calculation of road lengths as per third 20-year road development plan. So the problem statement was, the area of certain backward district in India is 18,400 square kilometer athwa 18,400 kilometer square, and there will be 15 towns as per 1981 census. Determine the road length of different categories of roads by third 20-year road development plan. By third 20-year road development plan. So here the observe the given data, the first thing they have given area of the district, they have given 18,400 square kilometer, area of the district. They may give an area of the state or area of the country, whatever it may be. The same formulas will be applicable. Just mention instead of area of the state, area of the district in the formula, that's all. Is it clear? So if they are given area of the district, you have to use area of district only in the formula. If they are mentioned area of the state, you have to use the area of the state in the formula. That's all. Everything will be same. And they are given 15 towns as per 1981 census. Don't bother about this number. 1981 or 2001 census or 1986 census, don't bother about. Means you know that no, the census will be done for every 10 years. 1981, 1991, 2001, like that. Okay, don't bother about this number, 1981 census or 2001 census, don't bother about. You only need number of towns. Here the number of towns is 50. And for calculation of the road length, we require the density of road. We require the overall density of the road. In this statement, they are not mentioning anything about the density of the road length. Okay, but they have mentioned the calculation of road length as per third 20-year road open plan. As per third 20-year road open plan, okay, the overall density is about 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. First, I'll take out the given data. So, what are the given? Area of the district they have given. Area of the district. So, it is 18,400 kilometer square, that is called square kilometer. Number of towns they are given. Number of towns they are given about 15. And so, they are not mentioning anything about the density. You have to assume the density. Assume the density of road as per third 20-year plan, road development plan. It is 82 km per 100 square kilometer. 82 km per 100 square kilometer of area. Okay, this was the given data. I'll move on to the solution. Move on to the solution for the problem. Okay, the step number 1. Step number 1, it is length of NH. So, length of NH. In this, length of NH is equal to area of the district. Area of the district in square kilometer divided by 50. So, area of the district is there in square kilometer, it is 18,400 divided by 50, that will give the length of NH in terms of kilometer. So, it's about 368 kilometer. It's about 368 kilometer. 18,400 divided by 50 will gives 368 kilometer. Next, I'll move on to the step number 2. Step number 2. Okay, that is length of state highway SH. Okay, we know that for calculating the length of state highway, we have two relations. The first one, it is based on the area. Based on the area, we have length of SH is equal to area of the district. If they are given state, we have to include here state, area of the state, like that. So, area of the district in square kilometer divided by 25. So, that is 18,400 divided by 25, it will give us about 736 kilometer. 18,400 divided by 25, it gives about 736 kilometer. So, number B, another relation based on number of towns, based on number of towns, based on number of towns. So, okay, length of state highway is equal to 62.5 into number of towns minus length of NH minus length of NH. So 62.5 into number of towns. No, they have mentioned, they have given number of towns 15. 62.5 into 15 minus and length of NH we get from the step number 1, that is 368 minus 368. It is gives around 569.5 kilometer. 569.5 kilometer, and observe the length of SH from A and B, length of state highway from the A and B relations. Okay, from the relation A we gives the higher value, so the length of SH becomes 736 kilometer. From the relation A 736, from the relation B 569.5. Now we have to adopt the higher of the A and B, therefore higher will be the A, therefore the length of SH is equal to adopt higher of A and B, therefore length of state highway SH is equal to 736 kilometer. 736 kilometer. Is it clear? And next one it is, okay, third step, length of MDR, major district road. For calculating the length of MDR also we have two relations. First one, it is number A, based on area, length of MDR is equal to area of the district in square kilometer divided by 12.5. So 18,400 divided by 12.5. 18,400 divided by 12.5, okay, will give about 1472 kilometer. 1472 kilometer. And number B, based on number of towns, okay, length of MDR is equal to 90 into number of towns. 90 into number of towns, it is 90 into 15. So 90 into 15, it will give about 1350 kilometer. So here also we have to adopt higher of A and B. So higher will get from the relation A, this is based on the area, it is 1472 kilometer. 1472 kilometers. Adopt higher of A and B, that is therefore length of MDR is equal to 1472 kilometer. Length of MDR is equal to 1472 kilometer. Means in the step number 1 we give the length of NH, it is about 368 kilometer. In the step number 2 we give length of SH, that is 736 kilometer. In the step number 3 we get length of MDR, that is major district road, that is 1472 kilometer. 1472 kilometer. Is it clear? I'll move on to the step number 4 now. Step number 4 now. Step number 4, ODR, length of ODR plus VR. So, before going to calculation length of ODR and VR, you can calculate the total length of all roads. Okay, total road lengths, that is NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR plus VR, all 5 together. So, okay, that is equal to area of the district multiplied by density. So, area of the district is 18,400 and density you are going to assume, no, if they are not given, you have to assume 82 km per 100 square kilometer. If they are given, you have to take out the given value. So, they are given 82 km per 100 square kilometer of area, 82 by 100. 82 by 100 means for 100 square kilometer total density is about 80 km. Then what is for 18,400? What is for 18,400? That is the total road length. Okay, so it will gives about 15,088. That is 15,088 means 15,088 kilometer. 15,088 kilometer. It is the total road length. It is the total road length. Then length of NH plus SH plus MDR means in the step number 1 NH we get about 368 kilometer. In the step number 2 SH length we get about 736 kilometer. And in the step number 3 we get MDR length about 1472 kilometer. So summation of this will gives, okay, the length of NH plus SS plus MDR. Okay, it's about 2576 kilometer. It's about 2576 kilometer. 2576 kilometer. Say this one is A and this one is B. This one is A and this one is B. Means therefore length of ODR plus VR is equal to A minus B. A minus B. So A is total road length. It is about 15,088 means 15,088 minus 2,576. 2,576, that will gives about 12,512 kilometer. 12,512 kilometer. 12,512 kilometer. So this is the length of ODR plus VR. ODR plus VR. Is it clear? Okay. And the final step is, and the last step, and that is called step number 5. Step number 5, road classification. Road classification. Okay. So as per the third 20 road open plan, the road classified as primary, secondary and tertiary system. No, first I will move on to primary system. Primary system, that is comes NH only. NH is equal to 368 kilometer. Next it is secondary system, that includes SH plus MDR. So SH is equal to 736 kilometer and MDR is 1472 kilometer. 736 plus 1472 kilometer will give about 2208. 2208 kilometer, 2208 kilometer. And tertiary system that is ODR plus VR, so okay, that is 12,512 kilometer, 12,512 kilometer. If you sum it up the primary system, secondary system, tertiary system, that will give your total road length. If you sum it up, primary, secondary and tertiary system, that will give the total road length, okay, then it is correct, otherwise there will be wrong somewhere. Is it clear? Okay, this is regarding the calculation of road length as per third 20-year road development plan. It's very simple problems. Is it clear? And they are given in your competitive exam also, and they are given in your semester and examination also. Is it clear?